Every morning, nature wakes us with its gentle light and soft breeze. But the world we've built sometimes leaves scars, plastic, waste, and neglect. Yet change begins with simple hands, picking up what we once ignored. Old things can be renewed with care, patience, and imagination. A bottle becomes a pot, and life blooms again. Every small sapling planted is a promise to the earth. Even a home garden can nurture hope with recycled care and sunlight. Wood worn by time finds new purpose in our hands. From waste to wonder, transformation is possible. Composting, recycling, and mindful living, steps toward a greener life. Our homes can reflect nature, peace, and conscious choices. Feel the wind, the sunlight, and the hope growing in every leaf. When we care, nature responds. Small acts, big impact. Rebuild smart. Live green. Welcome to Rebuild with Nature. Together, we nurture our world.
This small seed represents our greatest responsibility, to nurture the earth and believe in tomorrow.